my lips look instantly. They look. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. You know, just go ahead and subscribe now. Before I give you any tea, any tips, any tricks, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, kitties, so we have a nice juicy lip video. I'm gonna give some tips on how I line my lips to make them look fuller. I know that I already have full lips, but you know, just go with me, I'm gonna give some tips and some tricks and some products that I like to use to line my lips, and the techniques that I like to use to line my lips, because you know, juicy lips is kind of a trend. Like, everybody wants full lips. Some people go a little further than others, but it is a trend that people are into. So I just wanted to give you a quick video on my tips and tricks on how I do my lips, and we're going to do a nice nudie lip. So let's get right into that. Okay, so I scooted in a little closer because of course you guys have to see my lips. All right, so right now on my lips I don't have any, well, I do have on a lip conditioner on it just to, you know, prep it for products. But I'm gonna start by lining my lips with a pencil. So let me just show you what I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna have my this is one of my favorite lip pencils. This is by NYX. This is called Club Hopper. So we're gonna have this. I start with a liner, and then I have my cream palette by Danessa Myricks. If you don't know who Danessa Myricks is, please do some research, and once you do that research, go to her website and check this out. Okay, this is her waterproof cream palette. You can use this to contour, you can use this to put on your eyes, your lips, your cheeks, whatever. It's a waterproof cream and it works like a dream. I love this product. I vouch for this. Absolutely love it. Definitely check it out. I'll link it below in case you guys are interested. But I'm going to use this to achieve the actual lip colors, and then I'm going to put a gloss on the top, which is this gloss is by Sugar Scoop Beauty, which is my company. These are handmade glosses by me. So I decided to do like a clear gloss on top of this to help it look, you know, shiny, more full. So there's a trick when it comes to the gloss as well, where you apply it to make it look fuller. So let's get into it. So that's what I have. And you also need a small brush if you're going to be using a product like this. So first, we're going to line the lips. All right, so first, before I actually line my lips, let's talk about placement. Now, when it comes, my lips are full, right? But I want them to just look a little fuller, a little juicier without going over the top, okay? I don't want to look like a fool, for lack of a better word. I don't want to look stupid, okay? So when you already have full lips, but you still want to kind of be, you want a fuller look, that trendy sort of lip look, what you're going to do is you would line your lips right here, right on top of this line. This area here, right on top of it, will make your lips look fuller. And if your lips are already full, that is a great area for you to line. Now, if you have really full lips and you want to minimize them just a bit, said nobody ever, but if you want to minimize them just a bit, you don't want to do too much, you would typically line in this area here, right under. Okay, so let me just erase that because I ain't ready yet. So to make them a little bit not as full, you would go here. If you want to make them tiny, teeny bit fuller, you would line right on top of this line. Now, if your lips are thin and you want them to look full, you would typically line right here, right behind this area. You would overline it right in there. Okay, I wouldn't go any further than that point unless you want to come a little closer. Unless you want to look stupid, and we don't want that. We don't want that. Okay, class, so let's go ahead and start this little tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Pro tip, make sure your pencil is sharp. Mine isn't really sharp right now, but I want you to be your best, so sharpen your pencil. Chance, why do I have to hear your game? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips right here on top of, literally right on top of this lip line, okay? So I'm gonna start with that. I'm just following the natural shape. see already my lips look a little bit more like pouty. They stand out a lot more. So let's go ahead and do the bottom. And I'm doing the same for the bottom, lining it right on that rim. Okay, so I follow the natural line. I have like a nice Cupid's bow, and I don't like my lips to look too rounded, so I try to stay away from bringing the line just straight across like that. I try to follow the natural Cupid's bow. If you don't have one, then you would try to make the shape of one, like, you know, try your best, do your thing, freestyle it. All right, so now I'm gonna grab the Danessa Myricks, the lip cream. It's not a lip cream palette, it's a waterproof cream palette. It can be used for wherever you needed to use it. It's a very, like a multi-use sort of item. So I'm gonna grab that, and then we're gonna do a darker brown on the outside of the lips, and then we'll work our way to the mid portion where we put the more lighter shade. So we're gonna create like a bomb nude. Like I told y'all, this is so good. So good. You're gonna see. Okay, so now I like to kind of mix the colors. So I'm gonna mix the dark brown, like I'm gonna mix this color here along with this color and this color, just a little bit, and I put it on my hands just to kind of like warm it up to see how it looks. Put a little bit more of the red brown. So this is it here on my hands, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line or do like an ombre sort of lip. So let's get right into it, y'all. Grab my mirror. And I'm gonna literally line over, you know, where I mapped out with the pencil. And just kind of feather that color down. I'm just dipping my brush into the color some more here, just to do the bottom. A little bit here on my hand. This cream is so soft. I love it. All right, so there you go. The brown is laid, and that already looks nice. With some lip gloss on top of this, it'll be the bomb. But we're gonna make this thing perfect. We're gonna go in with the lighter shades. So let me just take a look at the palette again and see which ones I'm gonna do. Probably these two here. More than likely, I'm probably gonna grab these two and put it in the center of my lips. So let me just take some out. It's a really creamy product, as you can see. Look how it swatches. So creamy. So I'm gonna grab these two colors here. And I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand just so I have easier, you know, like easier access to it. But the lip is looking good so far. And now let's go ahead and just sort of dab it on. As you can see, I'm concentrating more of the lighter color in the center, because when you bring the eye, it's almost like an optical illusion. You bring the eye to the center of your lips, it automatically looks fuller when you put a lighter color here, or if you put something shimmery here, like a shimmery gloss, it's gonna make that area seem a little bit more pouty. So that's definitely a pro tip. Lighter colors in the middle. And now I'm just gonna tap it. As you can see, you don't even need much of this. I'm going to use my finger and blend it out. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the brown, the darker brown, just a little bit, because I kind of went overboard with the light color. It's too light for me. That looks really pretty. Should I put some more brown? Maybe a little bit more of the reddish brown. Just a little bit, y'all. And then blend it out. That is so nice. This is pretty just like this, without any gloss, anything. You can see, you can come closer. You can see how much fuller my lips look, how much they stand out. But now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some gloss. So the gloss I'm gonna use, it's a clear gloss, and it just has like teeny shimmers. Let me try to show you. Teeny shimmers, which things with shimmer and like highlight sort of powders, they bring attention to wherever you place it. So this is going to make my lips look even juicier because it's shiny and it has little hints of shimmers in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on. And this actually has a little bit of peppermint oil in it too. I'm putting it in the center. Now another trick, I hope y'all paying attention, that I like to do to make my lips look even more plump is I get the lip gloss and I put it right here. Right on the cupid's bow. And instantly, my lips look, they look fuller.
Make it work. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Do your dance, girl. Dance, girl. Dance, girl. Dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size, here's the bands, girl.
How easy was that? Like, hopefully you guys found this very easy. You can achieve this with, you don't have to deliberately go ahead and go out and buy that cream palette, although it is very good and I highly recommend it. You can probably find things that are in your makeup kit that you can achieve this with, like contour creams can do this, foundation creams, concealers, just a regular clear lip gloss. All of these items can achieve this very same look. It's just all about placement. Like, get you a really nice lip pencil to kind of outline or map out the area. Then you use the creams to do the ombre and achieve the type of nude tone that you want, and you apply a balm lip gloss over it. Clear lip glosses are so nice to help your lips look fuller and more, you know, juicy. Of course, colored lip glosses are fine, but when you want it to look really like juicy, a nice smooth clear lip gloss, clear or clear with shimmers in it, it definitely enhances the, you know, the look of your lip and the fullness, the juiciness. Like, we don't want that. We don't want to be outside for the summer with juicy, shiny, luscious lips. Hello. That, of course, the lip gloss that I use is my personal one that I made. They're all all my lip glosses are handmade, and they are on sugarscoopbeauty.com if you want to check it out. But any clear lip gloss will do the trick, okay? Any clear lip gloss will do it. Okay, kitties, I really enjoyed doing this video. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any requests for something that you may have difficulty doing when it comes to makeup, leave that request in the comments. And if I have any tips or tricks or anything, I'll definitely do a video on it. I love this lip. As you know, it's trendy. If you're on social media, then you see lips that look like this a lot. Some of them be a little too much, but this lip is wearable. I don't look like I'm doing too much or I'm trying too hard, because I prefer to stay clear of those type of looks. So if you found this helpful, definitely thumbs up the video. Don't forget to like, and you better subscribe, because again, I'm tired of you playing with me. Don't play with me. Subscribe. Come back. Tell your friends. Tell your cousin. Tell your uncle. Tell your mom. Tell your dad. Tell your baby daddy. Tell all of them. Okay? Don't forget to come back. Bye, kitties.
Oh,